Here's hoping you'll never have to. But just in case, let's talk about changing a flat tire. The jack and spare tire are both stowed in the rear cargo area under the load floor. For vehicles with air suspension, the vehicle should be set to Tire Jack mode under the Uconnect settings menu for suspension. Remove the jacking tools and the wing nut securing the spare tire. Now you can remove the spare tire. Now loosen, but do not remove the lug nuts. One turn counterclockwise, with the wheels still on the ground. Make sure you're parked on a firm, level surface safely away from traffic. Avoid ice or slippery areas. Also, make sure the ignition is off, the hazard lights are on, and the parking brake is fully set. Blocking both the front and rear of the wheel diagonally opposite of the jacking position is also a good idea. If changing the right front tire, block the left rear tire. Attach the lug wrench to the jack tool with the hook. For the front axle, place the jack on the body flange just behind the front tire, as indicated by the triangular lift point symbol on the sill molding. For a rear tire, place the jack on the flange rearward of the hoist rear tie-down bracket, just forward of the rear tire, as indicated by the triangular lift point symbol on the sill molding. Do not raise the vehicle until you are sure the jack is fully engaged. Now, you're ready to raise the vehicle by turning the jack screw clockwise. Raise the vehicle only until the tire just clears the surface and enough clearance is obtained to install the spare tire. Remember, minimum tire lift provides maximum stability. Okay, now go ahead and remove the lug nuts and wheel. Position the spare tire on the vehicle with the valve stem facing out. The vehicle could be damaged if the spare tire is mounted incorrectly. Reinstall the lug nuts with the cone-shaped end toward the wheel. Lightly tighten the lug nuts clockwise. Now, you can lower the vehicle by turning the jack screw counterclockwise and remove the jack. Once on the ground, you can finish tightening the lug nuts. Alternate lug nuts until each lug nut has been tightened twice. Maximum effort should be used for final tightening of the lug nuts. It's always a good idea to have the tightness checked with a torque wrench by an authorized dealer or at a service station. For vehicles with air suspension, jack mode does not have to be turned off. This feature will disable when the vehicle drives above 5 miles per hour or 8 kilometers per hour. Now, just secure the tire, jack, and tools in their proper locations. Remove blocks from the wheels, and you're ready to go. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.